Uno, dos, tres!
Carcar is a heritage city in the province of Cebu. You can see numerous old houses and buildings, with one dating back in 1859. Along with these heritage ancestral mansions, you can also find statues and shrines in the city. Perhaps this is the tallest statue of any kind in Cebu, standing at 29.2 meters or 96 feet. Unofficially, this is the sixth tallest statue in the Philippines. You can find this Sacred Heart of Jesus statue in the Meditative Garden of the Sacred Heart in the mountain barangay of Can-asujan, Carcar City, a private religious place owned by Engineer Emelia Bacus.